Good morning, guys. So this week we are going to be doing something different for Saxon. Since it's only a 4-day week and I wanted to give us some time to kind of catch back up, we're going to be doing a review. So each day you'll have a review that pops up like this in Seesaw. So I'm going to show you exactly what you're going to do, and then that way you can do it each day this week, okay? So as it'll say right here, it says click on the picture and then the link to watch Mrs. Welch show you what you will be doing for your Saxon's lessons. So this video is going to be right there. And here is how you're going to do it. What you're going to do is you're going to hit add response. Once you hit add response, it looks just like your other activities that you've done before. On the side, you'll see that you have some different slides. This first slide just says Saxon Phonics Review Day 1. So you'll come over and you're going to hit slide 2. On slide 2, you can see that these are our letter name cards. Now, since we've had so many letter name cards on our slide that we do every day, a lot of them we've retired. So what I wanted to do is each day you're going to see some of them, and that way we see all of them this week. Because there's some that you might have forgot about or we haven't used in a while that I just kind of want to refresh in your mind. So when you get to the slide 2, what you're going to do is you're going to use the mic tool. So hit mic and start recording. And see, now you can start recording. And what you're going to do is just what we do. You're just going to tell me the letter names. So you would say T, L, Z, D, S, E, final syllable, B, L, E, digraph, C, H, Y, Q, V, final syllable, F, L, E, O. So I went through and I put all the different names, and look, I hit the button again, which paused it, and you can see that it's red and flashing because it's paused, and it actually says paused up here. And you're going to click slide 3. Now you can see the letter sound cards that we've worked on. So you're going to do the same thing. And this is actually one of the longer ones. You're not going to have more than 15 on each slide. So that way that we do all the cards that we've done so far by the end of the week. And so I'm going to hit that button that's flashing again because it's going to let me record again. And then I would do my sound. So I'd say hat, H, octopus, ah, O, zebra, Z, icicle, I, pig, P, goat, G, duck, digraph, CK. So that's one we retired a while ago. Sheep, E, digraph, EE, cheese, digraph, CH, rain, A, digraph, AI, staple, pull, final syllable, PLE, bugle, gull, final syllable, GLE, hay, A, digraph, AY, cry, I, vowel, Y, star, R, combination, AR. So once I've said all my sounds, I'm going to hit that pause button again. And remember, you can tell it's paused. It says paused up here, and it's showing you how long we've taken so far. Well, our video has only been 1 minute and 39 seconds so far, so we still have plenty of time. Then I'm just going to click to slide 4, and I have 2 sentences on each slide that every word in the sentence is either a sight word that we know, or we can sound it out by the rules that we've already talked about. So then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to hit the microphone and I'm going to try to read these sentences. So I'm going to hit the microphone and it says, the rain. Rain hit the duck. Duck. The rain hit the duck. I like to, and maybe I have to sound this out, so end. Spend the day at the lake. And I know it's a long A because it's got that sneaky E. So then I would just read the sentences. I like to spend the day at the lake. And then once I've read that sentence, I'm going to hit that button. It's paused again, but now I've done all of the slides. So after I read those 2 sentences, I'm going to hit done and OK. So now when I hit my check mark again, this is what I see when you send it in to me. So if I hit this button and start recording, and see, now you can start recording. And what you're going to do is just what we do. You're just going to tell me the letter names. So you would say T, L, Z, D, S, E, final. So, and if you wanted to make it easier, remember you can also, at the bottom when you're recording, you can make the little arrow and you can point with the arrow at each one, or you can just say them. So I should be able to follow along with what you're saying, just going across. So that is all you are going to do this week for Saxon Phonics. Each day, you're going to have a different slideshow though. Like I said, there are about 15 letter cards and 15 letter sounds on each day, and then 2 sentences. So we'll do it on each day this week. All right, you guys did an awesome job. I'm so excited to see how much you've learned so far.